Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use item frames for Redstone in Minecraft. Item frames are surprisingly versatile for Redstone contraptions, offering 8 distinct signal strengths. When you place an item in a frame and rotate it, a Redstone comparator placed directly behind the block the frame is on will detect a signal. This allows for compact and precise Redstone control, opening up many possibilities for your builds and designs. Let's dive into how signal strength works. An empty item frame gives off no Redstone signal, a strength of 0. When you place an item and rotate it once, the comparator will output a signal strength of 1. Each subsequent rotation increases this strength by 1, up to a maximum of 8. This means you have 8 different signal levels to work with, offering fine-tuned control for your Redstone circuits. Item frames offer many creative Redstone applications. You can build combination locks where a specific item and its rotation unlock a door. They are excellent for creating hidden entrances, requiring a particular item to be placed and rotated correctly. Imagine controlling a series of lights or pistons with just one item frame, adjusting the output based on its rotation. This adds a layer of interactivity and complexity to your builds. For more advanced Redstone, try combining item frames with other components like repeaters and Redstone dust. You can create multi-digit input systems using several item frames, each controlling a different aspect. They can even be integrated into automated farms for precise timing or sorting mechanisms. Don't forget to experiment with various items. Some look great in frames and can enhance the aesthetic of your Redstone builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.